Type hinting, a collection of a specified type. Using Python 3's function annotations, it is possible to specify the type of items contained within a homogeneous list, or other collection, for the purpose of type hinting in PyCharm and other IDEs. A pseudo-Python code example for a list of int. I know it's possible using docstring. But I prefer the annotation style if it's possible.
Answering my own question, the TLDR answer is no. Yes. Update 2. In September 2015, Python 3.5 was released with support for type hints and includes a new typing module. This allows for the specification of types contained within collections. As of November 2015, JetBrains PyCharm 5.0 fully supports Python 3.5 to include type hints as illustrated below. Update 1. As of May 2015, PEP 0484, Type Hints, has been formally accepted. The draft implementation is also available at GitHub under amp/typehinting. Original answer. As of August 2014, I have confirmed that it is not possible to use Python 3 type annotations to specify types within collections, X, a list of strings. The use of formatted docstrings such as restructured text or Sphinx are viable alternatives and supported by various IDEs. It also appears that Guido is mulling over the idea of extending type annotations in the spirit of MyPy, this URL.
Update. Please see other answers. This one is outdated. Original answer, 2015. Now that Python 3.5 is officially out, there is the type hint supporting module, typing and the relevant list type for the generic containers. In other words, now you can do.
As of Python 3.9, built-in types are generic with respect to type annotations, see PEP 585. This allows to directly specify the type of elements. This also extends to most other container types of the standard library, for example collections.dec or collections.abc.mapping. Various tools may support this syntax earlier than Python 3.9. When annotations are not inspected at runtime, the syntax is valid using quoting or _future_dot annotations. As a consequence of PEP 585, most helpers in typing corresponding to standard library types are deprecated, such as typing.list, typing.dec or typing.mapping. They should only be used if compatibility with Python versions prior to 3.9 is required.
Type comments have been added since PEP 484. This is currently working for me on PyCharm with Python 3.6.4.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.